Hi, I am Mohammed from the AI Automation Workflows channel, where we focus on Zapier and Make workflows. Today, I'm walking you through our mid-stay check-in automation in Make. Every day, it finds guests who are at the midpoint of their stay, texts them a quick check-in, and saves that contact so we can follow up. No manual hunting through the calendar. We start with an HTTP request to the Hospitable API. It loads current reservations for our properties, including guest and property details. Think of this as give me today's reservation list with who the guest is and which home they're in. Next, an iterator walks through each reservation one by one. Everything after this runs per guest, not as one big batch. Before we text anyone, a filter asks, is today the mid-stay day for this booking? We calculate the midpoint as check-in plus half the stay, nights times 12 hours. If that midpoint falls today, the guest continues, everyone else is skipped. That way, we only send the check-in once at the right moment in the trip. For matching guests, we parse the phone number into a clean international format, defaulting to the US. That keeps OpenPhone deliveries reliable. Then we send a text message through OpenPhone. The message is friendly and short. Something like, hi, first name, quick mid-stay, check-in for your stay at the property. How's it going so far? Reply with a number from 1 to 5. 5 is great. From HT Expads, so guests can rate the stay with one simple reply. So finally, we write a record to a make data store keyed by the guest's phone. We save the reservation ID, first name, phone, checkout date, and when the first text went out. That gives us a clean list for follow-ups and avoids guessing who already got the check-in. So end-to-end hospitable reservations, filter for mid-stay today, parse phone, open phone text, data store log. Guests feel looked after mid-stay, and the team gets structured replies without checking every booking by hand. That's the mid-stay check-in scenario. If you found this helpful, subscribe to AI automation workflows for more Zapier and Make tutorials. See you in the next one.